Bet.
Bet.
Bet. Guys, today's video, we're gonna show you some nice stuff. We got a spinner here. It's like full. This is like hardcore metal. And we're gonna do 1,000 mile per hour spinner versus GoPro. Look at that! It's completely shattered.
All right, so
We gotta give the L's to everyone. Give the L's.
we're going down to our neighbor's house. Gonna see how he reacts.
We're gonna give him the L.
Yep.
Take the L's.
Whoa.
It's the bird. Look, it's the wild African elephant in its natural habitat. Alright, we're going on a long walk.
I don't know how we're gonna make it. We've struggled 25 days in the desert already.
Luckily, our phone is still at percentage.
Okay. First L of the day.
Hello?
Hi. We'd like to get to see it's an L. Success. You can't. All right. I don't think this person's home. This last one's for me.
My favorite video game.
I wish I used to play. Paper.
Marley.
Take about. I'm gonna be totally.
Marley.
I'm gonna be totally true, and I'm gonna take about this much because we're saying that we're taking so many. Just gonna act like we made a lot this fall.
Here we go. It's for you. You can have one too. That looks so cute together.
They took the L. They took it like real men.
No.
He no want L.
He doesn't want the L.
He don't want no L. Hey guys, welcome to my first Minecraft Let's Play on CubeCraft. Today we're gonna be playing some Egg Wars. As you can see, I have to play with one hand because I have to hold the camera at the same time. So I'm not gonna be.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come
Get out of my room, I'm playing Minecraft. Better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, better run, outrun my gun. What gun?
Oh no.
He was on Minecraft and he said that my Minecraft girlfriend was fake. I have to teach him a lesson.
Wait, one second. 1 second, Jasper. I don't need this.
What?
But I do need this.
What?
Thicker version.
It's just thicker.
Your thicker version is no match for my wooden sword.
Run, Forrest, run!
Jump out! I surrender! I'll take the L. I take it. It's mine now. I take the L. Find my Minecraft girlfriend's kid. You caught me. You caught me red-handed. I lied about my Roblox pussy. Sorry. Here, look. If you tape it together, it's a W. Here.
If it doesn't work, I kill you.
W.
W for Wario. For Wario.
I am a Wario.
Wario.
I will wear it proudly.
It looks backwards.
Didn't work!
Fly away!
Ready to do that? And I'm gonna. I don't know why that bug.
How could this happen to me? Take it.
Well, because it just rained a while ago.
Did you give them L's?
Yes.
There's another L for you.
Yell. Oh God.
Holy shit.
They didn't like the L.
I lost
They
the
did
shoe.
not like that L.
I lost the shoe.
I'm soaked.
Well, that didn't work.
Look, I retreat! No more for Narnia! We don't need more for Narnia. Narnia has enough.
Quick. We need to give them a piece off of an L.
They're too strong.
You're a bad L cutter. There's rips in these L's.
I didn't
Look
cut
at the
them.
rips
I'm
in these
Narnia's
L's. I have received
That one's not working because
an
it's
L.
wet. Break my spinner.
I have a 20,000 mile per hour spinner.
Why do you have the phone?
I have both phones.
Yeah, you got two phones. Here, give me the phone.
I have two phones.
Take these L's.
Okay.
We're being assaulted by little children. Oh, jeez. It's gonna eat you.
Car?
We will win!
How do you feel?
No! If you hit me, I'm gonna hurt you.
They didn't want your L.
I know. Why don't you want our peace offering?
Not everyone likes L's. You grow big and strong like Popeye if you eat your L's.
I want
Eat
anywhere
it.
else. Do you eat all of them?
Eat your L's. Nutritious. There's the wild grubstaker in his natural habitat.
If I don't make it through this, tell my non-existent children that they're annoying.